In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing photos or videos on your iPhone. So we're going to start by heading over to the Photos application, and then what you want to do is just scroll down until you see this section for recent days. So go ahead and click on this, and from here you should be able to see all of your recent photos that you've taken. If you can't see your photos here, then what we're going to do is close out of this, scroll all the way down until you see this Utilities section, and what we're first going to do is check in the recently deleted folder. And this is a place your photos may end up if you've accidentally deleted them. So it's definitely worth checking in here, and then we can close out of this window. And we're also going to check the hidden folder as well, just by pressing View Album. And you can check to see if your photos are also in here. Now, if you can't find your photos in either of these, then what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, scroll down, and make sure you have Shared Albums activity turned on. Make sure you have Hidden Album turned on, and then you can close out of this window. Now, next thing we're going to do is head over to the Settings app on your phone, click on your profile name at the top of the screen, then select iCloud, click on Photos, and make sure you have Sync This iPhone turned on and enabled like so. Then we're going to scroll down to the bottom, make sure you also have Shared Albums turned on like this, and once again you can head over to the Photos app to check if that's now solved your issue. If that's still not working, the final thing we can do is head back over to the Settings app, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Apps. Scroll down until you see the Photos application, and we're going to click on this. Make sure you have iCloud Photos turned on, then scroll down and make sure you also have Shared Albums and Show Hidden Album turned on. And once you've done that, that should have now fixed any missing photos or videos you were getting on your iPhone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next